Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be cutting my own bangs today, which may sound crazy. Disclaimer, this video is not meant to be a tutorial. I am not a professional. This is just something that I wanted to do, and I thought I would put it on camera for you guys so that you can see it and how I'm doing it as well. I've been wanting bangs for a while. I've been thinking about it, but I didn't actually think I would cut them myself. I don't really trust a hairdresser, as crazy as that seems, to cut the kind of bangs that I want exactly how I want them. I'm gonna try to do it myself. We're gonna see how it goes, and you guys are gonna be here with me. So let's get started. I'm really nervous, as you can tell. I have been like shaking ever since, like for the last hour, so we're gonna see. Dear Lord. All right, so I'm gonna start by making a triangle. I already parted my hair down the center. I'm just gonna make a triangle here of about how thick I want my bangs to be. So I'm just gonna start about right here. I'm gonna go over. Is my triangle even? I think it looks even. As you can see, my hair is naturally wanting to separate here. My hair is not used to being parted in the center all that often, so it is going to take a minute to train my hair, but I'm really hoping it's not going to do like weird separating stuff and look awful. I'm going to do this. I'm going to trim the bottom first. Okay, so a lot has happened in the last few minutes. First, I cut my thumb on the scissors, so that's great. I didn't have a band-aid, so I had to do a little improvising. It's just gonna have to do until I can get to a band-aid. And also, I just want to say these scissors that I just bought, brand new hair cutting scissors. I didn't get to anywhere that had better quality scissors today. I figured this would work. I guess not. I know this is crazy. I think I'm gonna go in with the scissors because I think it's a lot better. I know it's not made for hair cutting, but I'm kind of already in this now, so I'm gonna keep going. This is insane, but we're gonna do it. Oh my god. Okay, so there's no going back now, and that's crooked. Oh my gosh. We're gonna move up a little bit. About here, and then, oh my gosh, I'm shaking so much. Okay, so holy cow, there's hair everywhere. I'm gonna hold my hair like this, and I'm gonna start cutting upwards into the hair because that's what's gonna give that piecey vibe that I want. Okay, I'm so scared to go shorter. I'm not gonna cut any more length off after this. I'm just gonna cut upwards into the hair. Now I'm just gonna take the middle part. I'm gonna leave these side pieces out. I can't see anything, so I'm gonna keep cutting. I'm just gonna take a piece from either side and just pin it back because I don't want to cut that. Let's see where that's at. I think I don't want to make it too much shorter, but I'm So not used to hair that's like literally in my eyes. I have hair all over my face. I'm not used to hair being in my eyes. I feel like we need to leave them like this. I'm going to take these pieces out. This is a little bit long on this side. Okay guys, so I'm all done and this is how my hair looks. I wanted to get ready, do my hair a little bit, put on some makeup and see how it would look when I'm styled. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I like how this turned out, but I'm a little bit nervous too because I've never had bangs. I never really thought that I would, and they're kind of like really long, but I do really like how they look. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.